how are you? So, in this video, we are going to test the complete intercompany flow. Powerful Odoo Pilot implementation mode. Basically, here we have the main home screen of the Odoo Pilot, and here we have the implementation mode. So, I will show you what we're gonna achieve through our prompt. Here we have basically we're gonna implement today two companies where we have first company is manufacturer company and second company is basically a trading company. In this company we will purchase a finished goods from alpha company and sell to its beta company, and then beta company further sell it to its own customers. So in this prompt, we will see Autopilot will install the sales app, purchase apps, manufacturing, and multi-company configuration. Enable the multi-company configuration. Through this configuration, we will see the automatically created the sale. So here we have the prompt. Basically, in this prompt that I have explained you, so all the details are here. So we just copy paste it and let's see what Autopilot will implement. We just copy paste, and on other hand, I will show you the Udo. This database is connected with my Autopilot. So there is no app installed yet, no configuration have done. So we will see all the things will handled by Autopilot. Actually, Autopilot is drafting the our prompt and basic creates all tasks in very a structured and mannered way. So here we have the all tasks that Autopilot created as per our prompt. As I have described you, we have these apps which we are using in Udo, and this is our manufacturing two companies, and here's a multi-company scenario. Each app and each task have the detailed description is below, basically for Udo Pilot and me as well. So use a real company record for alpha beta trading company that's grant implementation user both companies using standard Udo. So each task have all the details what they're gonna do. Search exact partner name beta, configure it as a customer. Okay. And after this, in this, there's a search exact name alpha office desk. And if this is not available in our database, then create it. And these are the further detail. 500 is the sale price, 300 is the cost price, and purchase 500 as per vendor price. So these are the components which are using for manufacture some product. This in this task they are going to create the bill of material. So let's do not waste our time and jump into our process. So just click on the task and click on proceed. So the Autopilot will start working on it. The Autopilot is executing the first task. The status is also changed. The first task status is now in progress. So you're gonna see which task is in progress and which are in pending. So after completing this task, the status will also changed. We will see. If you're gonna see deep down what Autopilot is going to do, so you just have to create on execution logs and see the success failed. Some tasks will be failed somehow due to our misguiding or giving the lack information. So after this we will again see the footprint. Basically we will click on view task, it will again show. So the status is review. So Udo Pilot is tell us to go to your database and just see the app is installed or not. So we just refresh and reviewing that the app is created. So the app is created successfully. So we gonna click on mark reviewed. Then it is done. Thanks Autopilot. We just click on proceed and just see the execution will be started. So second task execution will be started now. So the task 2 is also completed. Now we just refresh and verify. So the purchase app is also installed. We just click on mark reviewed and we jump into our second task and click on proceed, and the third task execution is now started. So now we just start the other task also. In these 5 tasks, we just install the apps. So I will review both 3. So it is also completed. So we will proceed the 5th task also. So after this, we will verify if the 3 apps are installed or not. So here we have. So here we have installed the 3 apps. We just refresh and see. So we have installed all the apps. So accounting, manufacturing and other apps all also there. So we just as marked reviewed. Okay. So these all 5 tasks are done now. So create, and these in this prompt you can see they're gonna search Alpha Manufacturing Company. If it is not in our database, they will create a new company which is named by Alpha Manufacturing Limited. So these are the instructions that we have passed. So the process is in progress. So now this task is also done. So we will create the second company also. So we will see both impacts combined. In this task, same the company Beta is trading will be created if it is not in our database. So this task is also completed now. Just we will go and see the impact. We will go to our companies. So we have 2 new companies, that is Alpha and Beta. So it is done now. So we're gonna mark done on both these tasks. Here we have mark done. So here we have. So we will start the 8th task. In this task, Alpha and Beta trading grant revenue user to both company. It's like enabling the multi-company configuration. So in this, we will see the multi-company configuration will be set up. So in this task, basically, we are not explained pretty much. So they are just asking which user they want to. Basically, in this prompt, we are set the demo user, but it is not a demo user. It is a user that administrator. The provider data will share the user log and email display. Okay. So supporting details of email or user is admin, because we just give us the admin, and user name is okay. We will see administrator. User is our administrator. Here we have. Okay, so it's basically a follow up for as per our prompt. They did not find out what is the demo user in our database. So we basically we just re-implement and it creates a subtask that the demo user is basically a administrator in our database. So now task is completed. We just need to verify. So we will search the configuration that is intercompany. So it is intercompany configuration is enabled now. So it is done as per our prompt. So they're gonna now set up the further. So we mark review this as well. So in this task, basically Udo Pilot will create a user, create a customer, sorry. Customer will be created by Udo Pilot name Alpha Company Manufacturing and attached with our company. So for the purpose of purchase order and sales order between both companies. And we will see in this same task, but the company name is changed. So after the the state will be in review, we will click on proceed on this task as well, and we're gonna see what happened on the customer. Here we have both customer created. So and it is attached with our companies as well. So the 11th task is like search a product named Alpha Desk, and internal reference is this. If there is in database, then it will not recreate it. If it is not in database, then it will create with the further information. So we will click on proceed, and these two tasks also have same information, like it's gonna create wooden desk panel and metal desk panel in these two tasks. So now we will just proceed these two and verify three products will be created or not. So we will check now as well. We go to our sales app, click on products. So the Alpha Desk is created now. So we will see the other two products is also created or not by Udo Pilot. So we will proceed this also. So just we will see the three product. Here we have all three products created by Udo Pilot, and we will just proceed. So this is mark reviewed because the dependency of the 13 tasks, 14 tasks is on these three. So they are telling us to just done these three tasks. So we will proceed in this task. They create the bill of material basically of like this is the parent product and these two are the components. So the Alpha Desk bill of material is gonna create. So the task is in preview state. So we will see the Alpha Desk. Also here we have the bill of material, which are consist of two products. So we will go back to Udo Pilot and tell us that it is also done. So the 15 task will be if the standard intercompany transaction enable the beta company is a purchaser basically, and the other company which is our seller, so the Alpha manufacturing. So the Udo Pilot will configure as per the our rule in our prompt. So they will attach in intercompany, the manufacturing company is our seller and the beta company is our purchaser between within the database. So we will see and we will just wait the instructions of Udo Pilot will tell us. So this job is also completed. So we just go to our settings and see the configuration. So this is our beta company which is gonna purchase from the Alpha Manufacturing. So Alpha Manufacturing set up as a sales order. So it's very good. Now we just create purchase order in our beta company and see the automatically company manufacturing alpha manufacturing is creating or not. So we will see creating a purchase. So we create a purchase order. Let's say we acquire some goods from alpha, that is alpha office desk. Let's say we need 100 piece of quantity and 8,000 per product. We will confirm this order and we will go to our company alpha and see the automatically sale order is created or not. Here we have, so here we have created same as per same. When we confirm this and deliver, the stock will be out from here and the automatically sync functionality is also working or not. We will see the receipt is also validate. Here we have. So we will sell and receive the stock in our this company, Beta Trading Company. You can see also in report, here we can see the stock is acquired by Alpha Manufacturing Company to Beta of 100 quantity and unit price is this. Thank you for your patience. Here we have